Hello guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to close all other tabs staying on one tab in Edge browser. So guys, if you want to close all other tabs staying on one tab in Edge browser, so very easy. Firstly open browser Microsoft Edge. So guys, if you want to other close all other tabs, so very easy. Right click any tabs and here option close other tab, so click it. That is, so guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to close all other tabs staying on one tab in Edge browser. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for latest update.